Friends, Gandhiji has introduced to the world this instrument called as Charkha. Now here we are going to demonstrate how electricity can be generated using this Charkha. When I rotate this Charkha, can you see an LED light glowing on the left side? Yes. And when I stop rotating the Charkha, the LED light is off. Now why this happens? To demonstrate this, I'll show you another model, which is a model of electromagnetic generator. Here you can see a copper wire which is wound approximately around 1000 times. To both its ends, we have attached an LED. As I rotate this, you can see two magnets inside. Now when I rotate these magnets, see what happens. Yes, the LED is on. Now when I stop rotating this, the LED is off. Okay, now before moving ahead, I would like to tell you a short story. The story is about a scientist named Hans Ørsted. Yes, he has shown or he has discovered electromagnet. He told that whenever electric current is passed through an conductor, magnetic field is produced around it. We call it as an electromagnet. So then people thought that can we produce electricity using magnetic field? The answer is yes. Another scientist called Michael Faraday derived this law. According to him, whenever there is relative motion between magnet and a conductor, voltage is induced in the conductor. And due to that voltage, electric current starts flowing in the conductor. And we can see this here.